Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the RAZER Blackshark V2X. I haven't done an unboxing in quite some time, and I haven't gotten anything from RAZER for quite a while, so I'm kind of excited about this. So stick around, let's check this out. Alright, I just recently got a Quest 2 over the summer, and I've been searching for a good set of headphones for it, and I don't think these are going to be quite, I think they're going to be a little big for my Quest, but in general, my last set of RAZER headphones were the Krakens, and they literally cracked. They broke on me, so it's time for a new set. So I'm kind of excited. I've been eyeing these for a while. I saw them at Target for $49.99. I think they generally go for $59.99 most places for the standard retail price. But anyway, I'm kind of excited, so I wanted to check these out. Yeah. Oh, come on, I just took the tape off there. There we go. And an introductory card as always. Looks like a code for surround sound, which I probably won't need. I've already got the THX thing installed. Let's see a few things about these. They say RAZER Triforce 50mm drivers. Cool. Plush headband. Leather memory foam ear cushions. RAZER Hyperclear cardioid mic. Oh, we'll have to check that out. And these are the white editions, by the way. I generally always buy everything in black, but since I thought I might be getting them for the Quest, I keep looking that way because my Quest is over there. I got the white ones, but right, lots of good packaging. Babies are in there. Sweet. Just got like a little thing over the microphone there. Yay. Look good. It's, oh, I see. I was kind of wondering because I thought they might come out there, but they actually extend out of here. Definitely look like they've got good padding on them. From RAZER, I wouldn't expect any less. Standard audio jack. Cool. Yeah, just kind of want to put them on now. Good fit around the ears. Feel good. Definitely good sound. It's blocking out the sound pretty well. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, cool. That one's good. Good length to it too. It's like a jack for, like, you have to plug it in somewhere that you can't do audio and mic together. You can do it separately. So that's cool. That'll come in handy for maybe if I want to use it for my music. Let's see what else we got. Looks like a bag. Huh. Never got any RAZER product that came with a travel bag, but I can't see why I'd want to travel with these. Good to have. Let's see. And then our standard Blackshark manual. And yes. Stickers. Love the RAZER stickers. And yeah, there's not much here to there's not much to these. I guess there is a volume button here on the side. And then a mute button for the mic. I usually don't use the mic very much, but we'll check it out and see how it works. And they're not if I realized they weren't, yeah, I knew that they weren't RAZER, the Chrome RGB weren't built into them, but that's no big deal. Everything else I've got is RGB, so. Awesome. Alright, well. The only thing I can left to do here is to check these out. So I'm going to check these out real quick and see how they are. Alright guys, these sound amazing. I tested them with music, as you can see. I tested them with a game. I just tested them with a rhythm-based music game, so I wanted to kind of get the feel. I wanted to kind of test it with something like Fortnite or PUBG, where I could be out there on the battleground and see how well I could hear footsteps and stuff around me. But I just redid my system, so I can have to install all that. But for the most part, the mic sounds pretty good, I guess. You can hear it very clear. Noise suppression's on, so I mean, there's not a lot of noise in my room right now anyway, but I can fix that. Let's see, let me turn the air conditioner on. So, air conditioner's on. And I can hear it there, but I'm not hearing it come through the mic and into the speakers. Nice. Alright. Well, all in all, I'd say, 2 thumbs up. I've very rarely been disappointed with a RAZER product. So, yeah, these are nice. I did, I won't say I was disappointed, but I did acquire some RAZER RAs from eBay a couple weeks ago, and I just didn't pay attention to the listing well enough to notice that they didn't have the little USB dongle with them. So I wasn't able to actually plug them in to adjust the anything about the sound parameters, or they're the ones with the haptic feedback, which I thought was going to be really awesome to use with the Quest. However, since it didn't have that dongle, I checked on RAZER's website. They were either out of stock or just don't carry it anymore. I even talked to a tech support guy, and he was like, yeah, he didn't know if he was going to be getting them back in. And I found one on Amazon. It was actually a replacement for it, but it was $45. I spent $35, $40 on the headphones. If I was going to go that route, I should just look for a better set on eBay that I could have got. But for the most part, they sounded pretty good. And the haptic thing was kind of, I don't know if I want something like that all the time, but at least if I had that dongle, I could turn it on and off. Well, technically, I guess I couldn't turn it on and off because they powered on. They were wireless, but I had to use a cord, of course, to be able to use them and plug them in. But yeah, these definitely worth the buy. I'm glad I got them. Now I have a good set of headphones. The only thing I didn't test them with is my music. When I use a pair of sound cords I've had forever that just sound great when I'm recording and stuff like that. So I'll have to check these out and see how good they do. I'll have to check them out on the Quest. Just give them a shot. I mean, with the deep bass is awesome. It sounds almost comparable to like some Bose or some Beats, maybe not quite as crisp, clear bass as Beats, but I really didn't tinker around. I was using the THX sounds to test with, so I really didn't tinker too much. Maybe the 7.1 might have a different sound to it. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. But anyway, if you're looking for a nice set of headphones and $50 is around your limit, check these out. Target. Anyway, if you like this video, if it helped you out, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.